Today, the city of Dallas began work to close the 3rd Avenue homeless encampment. It sits under I-30 between 2nd and 3rd Streets. At its peak, there were about 70 to 80 people living there. But as of last week, after notices to move went out, that number dropped to less than 40. Those willing to move into shelters have done so, but the director of Dallas County Health and Human Services says some residents there are resistant to housing.
I think from a health standpoint and the conditions that they're under, you have to close the encampments when you have no other option. And they choose not to go into housing. That's really the challenge. They're resistant to go into shelters where shelters are available. They refuse to go. They don't want to go for whatever reason. They like their freedom. That's a challenge. Some have alcohol, substance abuse issues, of course, mental health issues. That's something the strategy really has to look at. How do you really get wraparound services for these individuals? Until then, you're going to have different encampments popping up.
The city is offering mental health and substance abuse treatment along with a program called Family Reunification, Homeward Bound. That program helps reunite homeless with family and friends who are willing to take them in, find housing, and get them connected to necessary treatment. The Soupmobile was there this morning serving breakfast and providing rides to local shelters and other tent cities.